How's it going, everyone? Progress update on the back house ADU build. You guys came to form this wall up. Got some progress done. Got the rebar cage going down there. I'll get a better shot of that as I go down. Just kind of getting this wall going. So you can see they got this wall closed up, but they still need to close up this side right here. Well, they're gonna finish the rebar, and they got to rebar that down there, and then close up that side. Same with this side, rebar that, and then close up that side, and then close up this whole thing. I'm assuming they're gonna do that all in one shot, as opposed to, I'm not really sure how they want to do it, but they're gonna go take care of that. Let's get a better look at what's going on down there. You can see they started kind of putting their verticals around here. Try to get this kind of going as well, just to keep moving forward on forming. We had inspection today, but they didn't finish this, so inspector's coming back on Friday to inspect this wall here, so we can pour that wall at least to get it going. And once it's cured, we can waterproof it, and then we can actually start working on trying to get that top level inspected and poured. So you kind of see what they did here. Got some angles coming down on this side to hold the wall up. So obviously they still gotta rebar all this stuff. Over here. Same thing over here. So they got their dobies on the bottom there, elevate the steel from the ground so concrete can actually get underneath. Because you don't want that rebar to be down on the bottom. You want it to be elevated, and so concrete can flow underneath it as well. So essentially this is what they're gonna do on these other spots right here as well, and then close the form like how they did here. So, and then they snap the line here. I'm assuming this is their top of, oh, actually shouldn't be. Most likely, most people will form up to where top of concrete would be right here, so it's easy just to float it. But it's kind of what they got going on here. So they didn't quite make it for inspection today. This is some of the setbacks that can occur, layout issues, stuff like that. It can take quite some time. You can see this is not like a typical slab pour. Some people would just do if it's the same elevation, just keep, like, say we were grade level, they'll just do a monolithic pour, which is they'll just pour this whole, they'll just form all this around, pour this along with the top slab in one shot and call it a day. But in this scenario, we have to pour this wall, pour all this lower end stuff first, pour all this stuff, and then actually get the waterproofers out here once it's cured to waterproof it, and then we can focus on this upper section and getting that tied into this section. But it has to be waterproofed first. So progress. So he'll come back Friday. I'll do another video if they come back tomorrow, just to see how much more work they got done. But I'm trying to keep it consistent regarding the videos every day when they do something. So that's basically what's going on right now. So my UFA ground, the inspector signed off on our underground towards the side of the house where we tied in. But my UFA ground, my contractor thought I was going to put it down here. This is a lower threshold. I mean, essentially this is still going to tie into this upper level. So I'm going to actually, my panel is going to be over here, roughly somewhere around this area. I'm not sure exactly where. I'm gonna ask the contractor to lay that out, that wall out. Actually, I'll have to wait till they form this wall all the way across, and I can kind of see where I can stub up my U for ground. But I'm just gonna tie into the rebar that gets put in this footing here, which is still gonna tie into this section as well. So I can just do it later. I don't need to do it yet. But that's it for today. Stay tuned.